It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 10th of September. I'm James Spann. We are enjoying the coolest morning so far this young fall season. Weekend looks good, but what about next week in the tropics? As always, there's things to talk about. So here we go. This is the upper air pattern. High amplitude. We've got a big ridge in the west, downstream trough in the east, and it feels good this morning. Look at those numbers. These were taken about 5 o'clock. 51 at Aniana, wow. 55 for Pell City, Cullman, Haleyville. 56 for Alexander City, Anniston, and Gadsden. Highs should be in the 80s today. Peek at the radar, absolutely nothing as you might expect with a clear sky. Around the nation, very quiet on this September 10th. Severe weather, just a marginal risk over eastern Oregon through tonight. Tomorrow, a couple of marginal risks far to the west and north. And day 3, Sunday, a marginal risk over parts of the western high plains. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heaviest rain really around southeastern Texas and southwest Louisiana with a potential tropical system. But around here, this is suggesting really nothing for much of the state. I do think we will see the return of at least scattered showers and storms by the middle part of next week. And in the tropics on this 10th of September, which, by the way, is the exact climatological peak of the Atlantic hurricane season, Mindy has fizzled off the east coast of the United States. We've got Larry, a couple of tropical waves. Larry is moving up into the North Atlantic, becoming post-tropical tomorrow. In terms of those waves, we got the system coming off the African continent. There's a high chance that becomes a depression or storm over the weekend. Remains to be seen if that'll be recurving. Probably will at that latitude, but we don't know for sure. And the one to watch, of course, closer to home is that feature now with a medium chance of becoming a depression or storm in the Bay of Campeche and the far western Gulf of Mexico over the next few days. We'll keep an eye on that, but for the moment, no evidence that will be coming up this way. Speaking of modeling, let's go to the GFS model fans. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. 594 upper high to the west, trough over the east coast, and a beautiful day. Sunny, low humidity, highs today 81 to 85. Just great. Tomorrow, again, we'll start the day in the 50s in many spots, most likely. Lots of sunshine, highs 85 to 89. Same thing on Sunday, upper 80s, lots of sunshine. Monday, we're still dry, upper 80s. And then Tuesday, moisture begins to come back. So that's when we'll reintroduce the chance of scattered showers and storms. And that'll be the case for Wednesday. And Thursday, that's a front trying to push in here. So again, we'll see moisture coming back, higher humidity values by the middle of next week. And this is a week from today, Friday the 17th. We've got troughing to the north and east of here and a pretty dry air mass dropping in here if this verifies. Get us back in the 50s again toward the end of next week. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 19th, troughing over the northwest U.S. And again, for us, that looks awfully quiet. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 1 and 2 inches between now and the 24th of September. Temperatures for the next 10 days, highs in the 80s, lows in the 60s. And the CPC outlook, this is for September 17th through the 23rd. Temperatures above average if this verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. And if you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.